If I eat a lot of magnets, would I be attractive?
What the
लड़कियों का कोई भरोसा नहीं।
Magnets खाने से attractive होगा?
Yeah, I guess he can.
What? Magnets खा के भी कोई attractive हो सकता है? चलो लोगों से पता करते हैं। और एक सेकंड, एक सैल्यूट भाई जिसने भी ये क्वेश्चन पूछा है। If I eat magnets, would I be attractive?
मैग्नेट खाएंगे तो
Attractive हो जाएंगे?
I think he lost his mind and we don't know.
Probably not getting laid or in.
Not getting laid.
That might be the case.
Yeah, obviously attitude is important.
क्यों भाई क्यों? Attitude क्यों?
Not like attitude should be a positive attitude.
That's so lame.
Why? इसने कुछ सोच के ही लिखा होगा।
अगर वो सोच रहा होता तो वो ये लिखता नहीं। खाने से अट्रैक्टिव नहीं होते।
खाने से
अट्रैक्टिव नहीं होता
किस चीज़ से होंगे फिर?
Eat more and more pomegranates. That will make you look good.
No, I'm a science student, but I haven't read
Anything
anything
never
like
came
this.
across anything like this?
And if it attracts, it will be only iron.
नेचर अच्छा होगा तो इंसान खुद ही अट्रैक्टिव होगा। आई थिंक उसको आलमंड्स खाने चाहिए ताकि उसका दिमाग चले थोड़ा सा और वो थोड़ी अच्छी चीजें सोचे।
सोचो और अच्छे क्वेश्चंस पूछे।
एग्जैक्टली।
फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन के लिए what all is important without the communication?
I would be preferring formals with a shirt, you know, folded shirts. Yeah. I look for personality. I like you should
Build up his personality.
Yeah. Don't try too hard.
Don't try too hard.
Simple. Yeah.
Keep it simple.
Keep it simple.
Maybe dressing sense.
हाँ यार।
Dressing sense. What is the ideal dressing sense?
I like blue jeans, white shirt.
Blue jeans, white shirt.
Formals.
No, first one.
Formals.
Formals.
Formals. Yes, better than magnets. You would be preferring formals with folded shirts. Should have a watch. I don't know why. I go for watch.
Good perfume.
The one thing that makes me turn around to guys is the scent. You know, the good perfume. Like
इसके लिए तो मुश्किल ही लग रहा है मुझे. So moving to the next question, is it creepy to have romance and make out in an auto or a cab?
I think it's awesome.
don't do it because girls like who are single like me feel like why we are single. We question what's wrong in life.
You know very well.
Yes. Yeah. You can find a place. You can find a place if you want to. You know, have. Don't just PDA.
अपना रूम लो यार 1000 में ही मिल जाता है एटलीस्ट वहीं जाके.
Some emotional connect just happened to them inside that auto. So for some reason. So yeah, they may be making out. It's all cool.
Not in an auto. People go to movies and they don't, look at the movie. They are making their own movies.
Actually इस देश को
मत
क्या
करो.
हुआ है?
Where is your final?
Because she's not single, huh?
एक फील आता है कहीं कैब वाला ड्राइवर ना देख ले अपने को, है ना?
नहीं मैं तो कह रहा था अभी आप क्या? आप
Don't assume you are doing that. He is asking.
Exactly, मैं तो कह रहा हूँ एज अ व्यूअर आप तो अपने पॉइंट.
It's more than awesome.
Who does that?
When was your last time when you indulged in such situation?
Last word?
Having a nice time with your partner in an auto or a cab.
We are alone then. Okay, it was an auto only.
अपना रूम लो यार वहाँ जाओ. रूम यार are available there. Was available. You have your own
cabs
bus. No, yeah, it's not look good.
It
Depends upon the situation.
क्यों? कौन सा situation?
They are feeling.
कितने लोग थे ऑटो में?
जब आप मूवीज में किस देख सकते हो तो फिर आप
लाइव भी
लाइव भी देख.
जब वही चुपचाप देखते रहते हैं घर पे तब तो नहीं, अकेले में.
I don't judge people who do it in public place. Whether people are young, they do things. But then I'm not, so much into doing things in public place.
Please book a room.
book a
You
room.
know?
It's not
your
that
cab.
expensive now.
And you guys certainly find it very creepy.
Yes, that is very creepy.
Very creepy. चलो साहब बहुत knowledge इनको provide कर दी. Alright. So last question for you guys. This is basically a riddle. So what comes once in a year, but twice in a week?
What comes once in a year and twice in a week?
Yes.
Once in a year and twice in a week.
वो क्या हो सकता है?
I don't know.
No.
I have no idea.
Difficult one, especially when you are drunk.
I don't have any idea because मैं बहुत tired feel कर रही हूँ.
No idea.
No idea.
In a year, but twice in a week.
Once in a year.
Twice in a week.
I must say our classes.
MBA के entrance में ये सभी पूछते हैं.
Really? Can you give me a hint? Something related to days, dates? I don't know. but I don't know. I can say birthdays. It will come once in a year, but we celebrate it twice in a week.
Because there are many of our groups. I mean, office groups, right? Office groups or college groups.
Hint? Can you give us a hint?
Alphabets.
Monday, like, but no, it comes once in a week. Monday.
I gave you the best hint. Alphabets.
It's a letter. Wait, once it would be a letter. Okay, like once in a year and twice in a week. E.
It's the letter E.
E. Letter E. Ex-boyfriend.
ईयर की स्पेलिंग में ई कितनी बार आता है
ईयर की स्पेलिंग में एक बार आता है.
और वीक में कितनी बार ई आता है
2 बार. E. So E.
लेटर ई
Oh, yeah.
No.
लेटर ई
Once in a year and
ईयर की स्पेलिंग में ई एक बार और वीक में 2 बार आता है
I hate this. Yeah, fine.
लेटर ई
Wow.
नाइस वन राइट
So we have to.
नो नो आई हैव गिवन द आंसर
You have to give an answer. E. That's an answer.
आया ना समझ में
Yeah, आया समझ में.
ईयर की So how many likes can we get on this video? Go and press that like button right now. It's for free. और यहाँ पे click करके मुझे बताओ, is it possible to get attractive if you eat a lot of magnets? And make sure that you follow us on our Instagram page to see all the behind the scene pictures and videos of the shoot. And now check out the school feature on your mobile phone. So tap here to see our last week's video and click here to see one of the best videos of QRT. और मेरे new channel को भी ज़रूर subscribe करो यहाँ पे click करके और QRT को भी subscribe करो यहाँ पे click करके. I'm going to see you guys every Tuesday and every Friday 4 PM with a brand new episode of QRT. Until next time, goodbye.